All right, give me your opinions. We have 4 Manpacks in front of us. They're all different colors. Now, in theory, I could just provide, you know, I'll make it this easy. Whatever color you want, we can make it work. There may be a slightly different green color on this one. This one's smaller than I expected, so I don't think that'll fit as well with the idea. But these are all sling bags, so I'm putting most of the money that's going to go into the builds into the actual equipment. This is just a way to carry it, right? We're going to have BNC 3D printed MOLLE mounts on the outside of the packs, and then this will likely slip through a crevice somewhere in the bag. I'll probably put a small hole on the underside of these 3D prints. And we're gonna have a dual band signal stick. It's gonna be 19-inch long whip, and then we're gonna have a counterpoise that comes off of it that's an equal length, so it'll be a length of wire, small 16 gauge or probably 16 gauge. You won't notice it too much, but that fixes the ground plane problem. And then we're gonna fit a 10 amp hour LiFePO battery on the inside of whatever pack you pick, and then we're running the Retevis RT95 dual band radio as the main radio to work off of. So sweet little 25 watt. I picked it because it's the most user friendly within this budget, so as you're progressing along, if you want to make changes, you can. I'm going to handle all the power connections, so you're going to get a full-fledged radio Manpack dual band in your mailbox. As you progress and you understand them better and radio theory, you can make changes as you would like. What else did I want to talk about? Let's see. Counterpoises. So I either will be ordering from the company that sells signal stick, or I'll be making my own. They're really not hard. Ring terminal, it just sits over top of the BNC connector. Your antenna goes on top, and that fixes that problem of ground plane. And then battery runtime. I got to do the math to figure out the battery runtime, but if you're doing minimal transmit, expect a full day's worth of running a radio of that size off of a 10 amp hour. So there's some ABS printed sheets, and that'll be likely what this will be mounted to go inside the pack so that you can reach the radio up front. I don't really know exactly how I want to make this look yet, but I'll keep you guys updated. I'll be doing a live stream soon. So yeah, gray, black, olive green-ish, and then multicam. That's what we got going. These are the options, and expect a dope setup coming soon. I'm excited for it. We're gonna build this thing out. Drop a comment if you want one, so I can get a heads up on how many I should be thinking about making. I'll likely have to figure out the details of whether I want to do this through Etsy or if I just want to do it through, DM. I've been selling the rain systems through Spectre Solutions for a long time with no issues, so solid feedback on that end. Just give me your opinions. Let me know. I appreciate the help, guys. Have a good day.